cat who sat on the walls and tree stumps and watched her, but slipped away if she...
I'm like a lesbian couple that doesn't have sex anymore. Wait, come back. Go pick at your face. I don't like smoking alone.
What I hope to do all the time is to be so completely myself, which that's what I hope I am, to be so much myself that my audiences and even people who meet me are confronted. They're confronted with what I am, inside and out, as honest as I can be. In this way, they have to see things about themselves.